a beautiful traditional Javanese house called Joglo, where the family used to live occasionally, served as inspiration for the Kawan House. To meet the family's new demands, it was decided to build other buildings as additional living space. The Joglo has a distinctive architectural language, such as the combination of slim and rhythmic wooden columns that define the open space. As the traditional house was preserved, the new buildings were designed to harmonize with the traditional house, but with a modern touch. The new buildings include Pavilion, Bungalow, and Staff Quarter. The Pavilion is connected to the Joglo and serves as its internal extension. Thus, the Pavilion's facade is designed in continuity with the horizontal proportion and rhythmic columns of the Joglo. The terrace extends forward, mimicking the sense of open space in the Joglo, while being cantilevered, hovering over the garden, adding a contemporary touch to the space. Crowned by a rooftop garden, integrated with the garden, becoming an extension of the landscape, the bungalow is separated from the others for greater guest privacy and is designed as an independent living space. Existing materials in the Joglo, such as wood, sandstone, terrazzo, and colored cement tiles, became the basis for designing the new buildings. The bathrooms emphasize the existing materials of the Joglo, with vibrant colored cement tiles on the walls, subtle terrazzo on the floor, and wooden louvers called souvenir for the windows, providing both air circulation and privacy. The bungalow is positioned on the edge of the sloped terrain to obtain the most private and beautiful view. It was designed sunken into the ground to provide an unobstructed view of the pavilion behind it. The Kawan House is a testament to the seamless integration of tradition and modernity, creating a timeless and contemporary living space.